On Tuesday and Wednesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms still possible in KwaZulu-Natal and over the Highveld, with between 30 and 50 millimeters of rain likely to accumulate up until Wednesday evening in these regions. We can see 50 millimeters of rain or more is likely in parts of Namibia that can lead to localized flooding. And then from Thursday, we have an upper air trough nearing the country from the west, now bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms to parts of the northern and western Cape as well. 50 millimeters of rain or more is likely up until Friday evening here over the western regions of the northern Cape as well as parts of the western Cape, with up to 100 millimeters of rain likely in parts of Namibia, which can lead to flooding. But ahead of all this rain, we are expecting extremely hot conditions in the west due to bergwind conditions. See your Tuesday forecast. On Tuesday morning, lots of fog expected over the central and eastern interior, so please be careful when traveling in these regions. Severe storms already possible overnight into Tuesday morning over parts of Namibia, and then quickly warming up along the western coast and the western interior due to bergwind conditions, temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s and in some places to 40 degrees Celsius. Then on Tuesday afternoon, we can see stormy conditions extending over Namibia and stormy conditions yet again expected in parts of KwaZulu-Natal as well as over the Highveld. We can see the scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms extending over Namibia late on Tuesday afternoon and overnight into Wednesday morning. We can see some thunderstorms stretching here over parts of the northern Cape, with isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over parts of northwest, the Free State, Gauteng and Limpopo, but becoming scattered over the eastern regions of Gauteng as well as parts of the Highveld, the Free State, most regions of KwaZulu-Natal and here around Lesotho. Some light showers still possible in the eastern Cape with drizzle due to the foggy conditions here over the central interior as well as around the southern coastline, mainly on Tuesday morning. A very poor PV harvest over the eastern regions of the country due to cloudy conditions. Into the afternoon, we are expecting an average PV harvest over most regions, remaining poor over the eastern regions of the country. Southeasterly to easterly winds blowing fresh around the southern coastline of the western Cape, and fresh northeasterly winds later blowing over Namibia as well. But in the Western Cape, quickly warming up due to this bergwind conditions, temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius in Vredendal and Klein Willem, mid-30s for the southwestern coast with 32 the afternoon in Cape Town, a bit windy at times around Hermanus, with foggy conditions at first around the southern coastline where light showers is possible on Tuesday morning. We can see lots of fog also expected over the interior of the Eastern Cape, later mostly sunny skies in parts of the Karoo, but partly cloudy skies with light showers over the central and eastern regions of the Eastern Cape. Scattered showers and thunderstorms likely around Lesotho, around Matatiele and Mthatha, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms also likely over large parts of KwaZulu-Natal, temperatures in the lower to mid-20s, but some storms likely to produce a quick heavy downpour, so please be careful. Cloudy skies for Richards Bay. A cloudy and cool day in store over the Highveld, temperatures below 20 degrees Celsius in places, with scattered showers and thunderstorms likely, only isolated light showers possible around Mbombela. Then in Limpopo, another cloudy afternoon, only 22 the afternoon in Polokwane, with isolated light showers possible throughout Tuesday. In northwest, we are expecting foggy conditions at first over the eastern regions, later isolated showers and thunderstorms possible, and temperatures only in the mid-20s. Then in the northern Cape, quickly warming up over the western regions as well as around the western coast, 35 the afternoon in Alexander Bay. Into late afternoon, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms to move down from Namibia, north of Springbok, and then isolated showers and thunderstorms also likely here over the northeastern regions of the northern Cape, but foggy conditions at first in parts of the Karoo. Foggy at first over large areas of the Free State, later temperatures in the mid-20s with sunny skies in Bloemfontein, remaining quite cool here over the eastern regions with temperatures in the lower 20s and scattered showers and thunderstorms still possible. Foggy at first over parts of Gauteng, later a cool afternoon with cloudy conditions and isolated showers and thunderstorms becoming scattered over the eastern regions, 22 the afternoon in Johannesburg. Then on Wednesday, we can see the thunderstorms moving further southwards. Some thunderstorms now also likely over the western coast, but remaining extremely hot over the western interior with 38 the afternoon in Vredendal. Isolated showers and thunderstorms still possible over Gauteng and parts of the Highveld, with temperatures now in the mid-20s. Then on Thursday, we're expecting those stormy conditions to stretch as far south as the city of Cape Town, where isolated showers and thunderstorms are also likely. We can see temperatures now a bit cooler with 32 the afternoon in Vredendal. Partly cloudy skies expected over the central interior. Isolated light showers still possible in and around Gauteng, and a windy afternoon along the eastern coast, but warmer with 30 the afternoon in Richards Bay. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Tuesday, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.